Now to the other news of the day. Nassau County Executive Bruce Blakeman touting his controversial mask ban today, claiming it prevents crimes. On Sunday night, police made their first arrest based on the law. Someone reported a suspicious person in the area, and when police responded, they found a masked man armed with a large knife. Officials believe he was planning to commit a robbery, but the arrest is not swaying critics of the law, who are still moving forward with their legal challenge of the ban. Long Island reporter Chantee Lans live in Mineola with more on this story. Chantee.
Well, David, that class action lawsuit being filed by the New York Disabilities Rights Group. Meanwhile, both County Executive Bruce Blakeman and Nassau County Police touting this, as you mentioned, as a success. Nassau County Police making their first arrest under the county's new controversial mask ban.
He turned around and he said, "I'm wearing the mask. They told me to wear it, and they gave me the knife to do a robbery."
Police say this man, arrested on Spindle Road in Hicksville on Sunday, is a teenager. 18-year-old Wesleyan Omar Ramirez Castillo of Hicksville was approached by police after they say they received reports of a suspicious man walking. Well, they found him wearing this mask and noticed a large bulge in his waistband, which they say was this 14-inch knife. Ramirez Castillo was arrested and charged with criminal possession of a weapon. And for the first time in Nassau County, he was charged with Title 90 Mass Transparency Act. The teen was arraigned on Monday.
He's born in Guatemala. He entered the country illegally in 2019 over in Texas. ICE has been notified on this individual. He has loose ties to gang affiliations.
Nassau Police Commissioner Patrick Ryder and County Executive Bruce Blakeman touting the arrest as a win.
And it's another tool in the toolbox for our police department. We averted a crime. Somebody could have been stabbed as a result of this.
Hicksville resident and retired law enforcement officer Edwin Elias agrees with the ban.
I think it's helpful. But people are never happy. If you give them protection, they complain. If you don't, they complain.
Other Hicksville residents are concerned.
If it's a surgical mask of some kind, then people who have medical issues, immune suppressed, or elderly people, they should be allowed to wear a mask without question. I don't think they should just stop them.
She's not alone. The local group Disability Rights New York has filed a class action lawsuit against Nassau County, calling the ban unconstitutional and discriminatory towards people with disabilities, because it violates the Federal Americans with Disabilities Act.
We think it's a frivolous lawsuit.
The New York chapter of the ACLU is closely watching.
Masks really will end up criminalizing medically vulnerable people.
And that lawsuit will be heard in federal court by mid-September. Live in Mineola, Chantee Lans, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.